We just got up here with the cable train, as you can see here. And let me show you around a bit. There's a restaurant up here and the weather station. And it's very quiet, fresh, clean air up here. And a little bit cold. The Alps. The Lake of Brienz. Beautiful. And that's the weather station. Down there, see the village. And here. I don't know if you can hear this, but these are the engines of the Swiss Air Force fighter jet engines. And I wanna try if we can spot them, because you can definitely hear it. I don't know if the microphones, but there you go. You see that? Fighter jet number 1, fighter jet number 2 follows. It's hard to spot because they disappear into the clouds high up here. It's a training ground of the Swiss Air Force up here, but I'm sure you can definitely hear it. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is how it looks like inside this cable train. Here we go. This is all the stuff here, see that? And usually they use this for like skiing, snowboarding, and they are transporting goods from this station here down to the village and vice versa. And this is how it looks like.